Hey everyone, welcome to Velver. Today I'll show how to load a GPX file into Google Maps on iPhone and Android, basically on your phone. Go to Google, search for Google Maps, or open it in another browser. Open Google Maps. Alright, one sec. Next, tap the three lines and here are my maps. Tap it. Now tap the red Create button in the bottom right. There. Here you can create maps. But we need to upload our map, so tap Legend, Import, and choose where to load the GPX file from, Google Drive or your phone. There, that's it. This was Velver. See you later.